So this is the thing for the straps. If you put this underneath your tire and if it's sitting on concrete, the winch can pull your car. There's 4 of them, and if your tires are wide, you can combine these. So pretty much if a car is sitting on the ground, the winch can still pull it. And the only thing I think you also need, if you do need to pull the car, is you need a special cable to get it. And that special cable is sitting underneath the red car. Underneath this car. If not, you can just make your own weird cable and pull the car. You might have like a tow plug in your car that you can use to tow forward. But you see this cable? And see how it's connected underneath the frame? If you put this underneath your Prius, you can pull it into the car. So to get this cable out, you have to relax this wedge. And to relax the wedge, you may need to lift up this cover and to turn it to manual mode, and maybe you can pull it out by hand. If not, you're gonna need a battery in here and jumper cables to put onto there, and the remote to control to put in there and hit the button to relax the cable. But I have a feeling if you put in a freewheel and get something heavy and pull that cable, there'll be some slack for you to grab that cable. If you don't have to have that cable, but it'll be easier. And then a backup cable would be, I don't know where all my backup cables are, but here's some backup cables. You can make something happen with these things. This thing right here. Need a hook there. I only have one hook. Here's a better cable, but I mean, you pull something with this cable and some hooks. You have to be creative. But that other cable, another better cable might be living in that trailer. The car trailer might have that cable inside that box. There is an AGM battery in there that's fully charged that can handle this winch. I don't know the cables are in here or not, but there's the battery. You can use like even these timing, these fan belts and stuff, because your Prius is not that heavy. All right.